A very warm welcome to all our Property for Sale magazine viewers. We are coming to you straight from Ameya 1, bang on the famous Golf Course Road in Gurgaon. Now this building is situated right on the main road opposite offices like Samsung, Mercedes and Dell. Ameya was founded in 2008 and in this short time span they have gained a reputation as one of the most respected and efficient builders in Gurgaon. What really sets them apart is the attention to detail that they pay in terms of quality of construction, and that is something that we can see for ourselves in this wonderful commercial tower Ameya 1. Their thought? Since the modern metro being spends more than half their life in their office, the look, the feel, the comfort and the ambience of your office should really make your day. And that is why they have paid so much attention to small little things like the paintings, the flooring, the lighting, everything, just to make you feel very warm and welcome. Live, shop and play. That is what Ameya has intended for its customers at their new venture, the Sapphire 83. It is located in the posh upcoming Sector 83 of Gurgaon and is spread over 3.52 acres. The ground and first floor of the building will be high-end shopping retail areas. The second floor of the Sapphire 83 will have a state-of-the-art multiplex and a vibrant food zone. You can enjoy a cinematographic experience at the multiplex of the future while enjoying a very unique dining experience. Floors 3 to 10 of the Sapphire 83 will have service suites. These plush 1 and 2 bedroom suites will be fully furnished and equipped for your multitasking lifestyle. Like all modern suites, these too come with 100% power backup, round-the-clock water supply, earthquake-resistant buildings, fire safety measures and much more. You will have a direct entry leading to a grand lobby, ample parking space and direct access to the buzzing retail and entertainment zones. There is a business center for you, a health spa, swimming pool and all the amenities that you would want in a modern living style. For all you shopaholics in and around Gurgaon who are looking for something new, wait just a bit longer for the Sapphire 83 to launch. 2 floors of pure high-end retail shopping spread over about 3 acres of land. You are in for a treat. The plan is to have everything from anchor stores to lifestyle brands to even your daily convenience shopping. They have European-style street cafes, a very expansive food court, fine dining, you name it, they have it. What we at Property for Sale magazine can do is help you and guide you through the process. So today we showed you the Ameya Group in Gurgaon, who have already completed and launched 2 successful projects, the Ameya 1 and the Sapphire in Sector 49 Gurgaon. Construction has already started on their 3rd project that we talked about, which is the Sapphire 83 in Sector 83 Gurgaon. Now we have loved the quality of construction and the detail and everything at the Ameya 1, and we are hopeful and we are assured that the quality will be as good and maybe even better at the Sapphire 83. So please do go and check them out for yourself. Until then, keep reading Property for Sale magazine, rush to your nearest newsstand or magazine stand and pick up a copy, or simply download it on your Apple iPad or iPhone from the App Store, or just SMS MAG MAG to 56161. And to watch more videos like this, SMS ALIVE, ALIVE, ALIVE to 56161. Until then, keep reading Property for Sale.